Hello friends, please welcome to this video, and this is going to be an introduction to the KabComp Software Elite teaching. Okay, so this is going to be introduction to the class that we are doing, and it's going to be very brief and a few advice that I would like to give to the entire class populace. Okay, so without much ado, let's go into it. So we'll first look at the content for which we are doing this class. So we'll first do introduction to KabComp Elite, and then we are going to look at course overview. Then we are going to look at the class style, or the style of the page, how we are going to style, you know, how we are going to organize the style, the class. Okay, and also we'll look at benefit of the class, how the class is going to help us, and why we should join regardless. Okay, so first of all, we are going to look at the introduction to the KabComp Elite. So the first thing I want you to know is about us, and this is going to be a summary of us. So KabComp is just a subgroup of the KabComp Incorporation, and the KabComp Incorporation is a group of company which comprises of KabComp Graphics, okay, also the KabComp Software Elite, and then Dream Behind the Wall. So Dream Behind the Wall is a book or an ebook which is being written by the KabComp group of companies, which is going to help young people and even people already in business to build up more upon their life. This is a watch out for, book which is on the way coming. It's going to be very helpful, so you have to watch out for it. Okay, so I want to talk briefly about the KabComp Graphics. Okay, so KabComp Graphics, we deal with logo design, brand name, and all of things. We make you good logos. If you need a logo for your company or even for your own name, you want to brand it. You are a musician. You need somebody to organize you and hype you. On so many platforms for people to get to know you. KabComp is interested in KabComp Graphics is interested in your progress. Okay, and will help you at a low cost. Also, we'll make flyers for all kinds of occasions, flyers for anything at all you want to advertise for people to see. We have interest in them. We'll give you nice and interesting flyers for your good and the more feelings that you have to make people, even to whet the appetite of people to partake in your program. Also, we design cards. That is your business card. You're a student and you need a card to give to elderly people without even asking them to take your number or something. And this is a very great thing that I think when we do, it's going to help you in so many ways. Okay. Also, KabComp Software Elite. So this is the newest, introduction of into the KabComp Incorporation. Okay, so we deal with digital marketing. So this one is set aside for online purposes. Okay, so we do digital marketing. We help you to digitalize your store. We help you to digitalize whatever you want to sell. Okay, and also we deal with cryptocurrency and forex trading. So if you are new to the system, we are going to introduce you to cryptocurrency and forex trading, help you with so many platforms that can help you to generate money and funds and even to do your tradings. We also deal with online way to make money, and this is one interesting thing about our company. We help you to find good apps and places where you can make money easily. Then online tutoring, just as we are doing right now, we do online tutoring. We tutor on online subject or project so that people to get to know what we do and they will get to know how to do things for themselves and they can make money from that. Next is our mission. So we don't have to talk much about it, and this is the interesting part about our mission. Okay, so until we touch the last star, that is our mission and that's our goal. We try to make sure that we do our things to the perfect level. So we say our Perfection is our hallmark. Okay, and nothing is kept in camera when it comes to customer relationship. We actually reveal everything the customer need to know. We don't hide anything. Say, um, okay, let's just try to trick them a little bit. We don't trick. We tell you what if we are going to charge. We tell you we are going to charge. So you see, on this on this class, we've already informed you about the cost of the certificate, which is $3, and it's going to be compulsory. We made it clear for you so that it will not be tricky, because I don't like to do that and the company does not like to do that. Okay, now let's look at the course overview, what you're going to do in this class. So in this class, we're first going to check the major courses, and the major courses include PowerPoint presentation. This is very important. This video, I'm doing it with PowerPoint, and we are going to learn how to do this in a single seconds. Okay, so don't be at me, and we are going to be able to do this crazy stuff. Also, I want to introduce you to freelancing. Freelancing is a way to work freely and make money from this course that you are learning. I'm going to teach you how to do freelancing, and it's going to help you a lot to make money on your own. The Word document is very important that you learn how to do Word document with your phone, even if you don't have laptop. It will help you in the future, even if you don't get anyone to employ you to work with them. But when you need to print something, you need to type something, you can do it on your own, design nicely. You're also going to learn graphic design in this course, but you use this, you can use Word to do all the graphic work that you need to do, and I'll teach you all of them in this course. We're also going to look at graphic design, as I said, in all. We also look at Excel spreadsheet, and that is very important. You're going to learn the Excel spreadsheet, and it will help you a lot in doing calculations easily and a lot of tabulation. Okay, we're also going to look at the minor courses, which include money making tips, Facebook ads creation, and then Instagram ads creation. You have to create ad on Instagram and then sell and make money. Okay, then email marketing. We're going to look at how you can handle your Twitter account to get more people, to get profit. Also general knowledge tips, and this one is going to be great, and you're going to love it. Okay, we're also going to look at the structure of the class, how the class is being structured. We're going to look at, first of all, we are interested in the groups that we are going to use for the class. Okay, so we are just going to, first of all, we have KabComp info. The KabComp info is going to be the page for you to receive the information we are giving out. Okay, so that nobody disturbs it. And then we have the KabComp discussion group, and this is going to be for discussions only. We will be discussing. If you have questions, you ask them, and we can get answers for you. We're also going to have KabComp submission. We are going to have series of projects to do. So each project you complete, because it's the project that will help you to move to another level. If you can't complete a project, it means you can't go to the next level. So we'll give you project. When you complete, you submit it, we access it, and then we are going to make it score you, and that will base on it to be written on your certificate. And the best thing about this is that the person with the best design throughout the course will receive a reward, a big reward, of course. And I think earlier on, people who shared the group's link received their reward, and they were happy about it. This reward will be different. Okay, it could be in a cash price. Okay, so we also have the digital world as we are in right now. It is going to be the invitation link for other people to join the group. Okay, so mode of teaching, how we are going to receive this or the information. We are first going to use videos. So we'll be using videos to give you interesting aspect, how you are going to be able to understand the concept. Pictures too will be used, and we use text as well. This is dominant. Okay, and we're going to use audios for clarity's sake, and this is going to be helpful to all of us. Lastly, the benefit of the class. How are you going to benefit from this class? And I think this class is going to help you a lot. So let's just look at a few of the benefits I've listed down. So the first benefit is fully equipped with new set of knowledge and skills. This is going to help you a lot. We are going to give you a new set of, some of you might have seen it before, but you did not take good part or did not understand. This one is going to help you to understand what you did not understand, and those who are new is going to equip you with them if you stay with us and make your progress through it. Secondly, we are going to increase your business sales. What we are giving you is going to help you to increase the sale level of your business if you have, and if you don't have, it's going to help you to also create new business for yourself. And you also get able to get money into your pocket. Yeah, you are going to be able, sorry for the typo, you are going to be able to get money into your pocket. And this is very important because as you are young or you are old, you're going to show you how you can be able to make money into your pocket. Just from the beginning, without even depend on your parents when you go to the SHS or you go to the university. It's very important that you learn these skills, because in the SHS you see a lot of people, you can sell these ideas or do these things for them and then charge them for money. And that is why it's very important. Aside doing the freelancing work that we're going to teach you, you can also, do the work for your friends, your colleagues, and then charge them for what you do. And lastly, free coaching. The free coaching is very important because anytime you have problem, you can just consult me or consult us. We are going to give you all the assistance. We are there for 24 hours. Anything at all you don't understand, if we can answer, we can help you out. We are there to assist you and help you. Only if you submit yourself to us. And then you'll be able to scale your business. If you have a smaller business, through this teaching you can make it wide and make it bigger. Okay, now let's look at this few. These tips are going to help you. As to this, my only advice to you as you start this class and also you move your journey out there in life. First of all, never rush in life. Life is just like a ladder. We'll climb step by step from one step to the other. You don't have to rush, because if you rush, you can crash. If you rush in life, you can crash. Let's relax and then do the work. So there's a saying that patience moves mountain. Be patient and then everything will be okay for you. Now, discipline is an important aspect in our life. So if you're not disciplined, you cannot be successful. Successful people are disciplined. Being disciplined is a key element to success. If you want to be successful, then you need to be disciplined. When you take a decision, you need to stick to the decision. If you want to follow any path, you need to stick to the path and do it as early as possible. That is discipline. You do not have to be lazy. This one, you don't have to be lazy at all. Please, if you are lazy, you become poor. If you are lazy, you become poor. If you want to be lazy, that means you want to be poor. Try to do work each day and each time. And the last thing which I like is spend to earn. Spend money to earn money. Don't just squander money and waste it. If you spend any money, you must get the profit back. So you spend money, invest it into courses, learn the courses, use the courses to make money back. And that is how we make it. And that is my goal, and that is what I do. I pay to learn different courses, and then I also teach for the course, and I get money from that. I work for it and I get money from that. And that's why it's very important for you to also do. So you spend money so that that same money you spend will bring money back into your pocket. Get this right and stick with this. So I think with all of this said, I'm glad to say to you that we are good to go throughout this course. Please be patient. The first step you need to take is to get a skill. First step, get a skill. Second step, invest in the skill. Invest money in the skill. If you need to upgrade on the skill, upgrade on it, invest money in it and learn it more. The next thing I want you to know is to sell the skill. If you have the skill, teach others how the skill is done. Sell the skill to other people and they make money from it. And lastly, earn more money than you invested. So earn more money than you invested. You invest a few money and then you work with it, you sell it, and then you're going to get more money from it. Basically, this life, you can't just sit for somebody to employ you, okay? It's going to be weird for you, and now we are in a digital world where people are all over the internet. In a very few time, we are going to live our world as if we are not in the physical world. Yeah, it's coming, okay? So you have to adjust yourself to the internet way of doing things. This mobile phone you have is a very effective device for you. You don't have to get a laptop to do all of these things. Mobile phone is enough to give you all of this money in your pocket, okay? Including cryptocurrency. We're going to look at all of them in this course, and I believe this course is going to be a blessing to you. First of all, I want to say my last thing. My name is Shadrach Kakukabla. I am a third year mathematics student at the university at KabComp University of Science and Technology. Forgive me. Okay, I'm in the science department, and my only quote I use in life is that for you to be successful in life, then you have to consider yourself to be one and only one, regardless of loneliness. Everything you are doing it for your own good. You are doing it for your own life. So if you watch what people are doing and you don't do the same thing, or you don't do what you think is good for you, then you're going to deceive yourself. So please try as much as possible to do according to what you want to do. If people are leaving the group, don't say I'm leaving the group. Stay in the group, learn your skill, and then use it to make profit for your life and for others as well. So this is the end. This is the end of today's video, and I believe it's going to be helpful. Stay with us as we go through this course. May God bless you.